How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. Today I'm going to review this microphone from TZAudio products, the Stellar X2. This mic is so good, I'm selling my old mic. Once I put this on, I'm like, it's so good. If I get up close to it, you can see the clarity is just really good. You can even turn up the volume on your end, and there's very low noise floor. They compare this microphone to the Neumann U87. Right now, that microphone costs over $3,000. And if you look at the audio comparisons between this and a $3,000 microphone, I can't hear the difference at all. The clarity in this is amazing. This microphone was sponsored by TZAudio, but it's so good that I'm actually going to replace my main microphone that I use on my main YouTube channel. If I knew what I know now, I probably would have skipped this one and just bought it myself. I happen to use one of their recommended microphone amplifiers. This is the Focusrite Scarlett Solo. As I'm speaking, it kind of twinkles green. If I'm really loud, it gets yellow and then peaks at red. Let me turn on the gain here a lot. I have to whisper now because it's gonna get too loud. Let me turn it down a little. It's actually really amazing because there's a garbage truck going outside and it can pick that up just fine. Without my headphones, I can hear the garbage truck, but with the gain turned up, it seems like I have super hearing without the noise floor. I've actually never had a almost voice-over quality type of mic over here, and I can totally see why. The definition in this thing allows me to articulate my voice, and this microphone will pick up every little tiny detail that I create. It's one of these products that's so good that you just feel it in your chest because it's like, wow. Let me show you guys something. The frequency response is incredibly flat. Let me switch over to my old microphone. Here we are with the Heil PR40. Same settings, everything, except this one does not use phantom power. Phantom power is just sometimes microphones require a voltage in order to operate. Because this one does not have phantom power, the signal level is a bit lower. This mic runs to the cable and it goes into this amplifier and digitizes it. What I found with this particular microphone is if it gets near any kind of noise source, sort of close to some AC line, and you can hear a little bit of background noise. I'm dragging the cable over the keyboard area. So because of that, it's not as immune to noise, and I actually have to pump up the gain to almost maximum on this amplifier right now. And if I really turn it up, hello. And sometimes when you listen to my S's, it's like a little bit too sharp. Let's switch back to the X2 now. We're back with the Stellar X2. Turning up the gain all the way. Now you can kind of see how sensitive this microphone is. I can rub my fingers and you can hear it. Comes with a bag to hold the microphone. The specifications. Now let's get some low frequency sound in there. I can almost just talk with a whisper here and you can still hear me. Notice that when I make S sounds, it's not overly harsh. With the previous one, there's like a bit of a too much a spike. And if you get really close up, it sounds really good because there's a bit more of a low frequency response. This is more like podcast style. Typically in real life conversations, right, you don't really hear this much bass, but this sound signature with the increased bass, yeah, it does sound good. It gives you like a wider range of audio response. Like when you're listening to music, you want some treble, you want some mid-end, and you want some bass. If you're listening to a podcast, it's nice to have a little bass every now and then, just sort of like a full spectrum of audio frequencies. Overall, I think this mic is a game changer. I really wish more people would know about it. People who are starting out, maybe you're making YouTube videos, if you're doing a podcast, this is a really good product. Now, if you're doing professional voiceover work, they might require you to have a really professional mic. However, if you're on a budget, you're just starting out, you can jump right to this and you would have quality. I'd say that's like 99% as good as a $3,000 mic. They're not paying me to say extremely good things about the mic. There's no requirement of giving it favorable reviews or anything, and especially raving reviews like this one. So all in all, I highly recommend this product. Let me take off this foam screen here so you can take a look at what this looks like. It uses a large diaphragm to catch all that high quality audio. If you guys are interested in getting one of these, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.